There are many ways to spice things up on the MPC. A few of those are simply epic as they are useful. Welcome to Creative Therapy. Looking at the last tab in Program Edit sends a simple signal. It looks identical to the screen when entering the insert effects on Pad Mix screen. And you're right, but we'll get to the but part in just a second. Whichever screen you'll add the effects on, they will automatically show up on the other one. But the Program Edit version of the Insert Effects screen allows you to do something extra. Namely, it lets you dial in an extra set of them, which are the returns effects, and check how they'll work in conjunction with the insert ones. Let's first add some returns to the pool. Make sure you're on the Track Mix screen. Dial Mixer to Returns, and choose up to 4 return effects on each returns channel, for a total of 16. Now, go back to Program Edit Effects. Each of the send dials corresponds to each returns channel. By dialing the send parameter, you start to introduce those effects from each of 4 channels. This was only the first tab, representing the effects on the pads. Let's jump into the second one, but first let's choose a more appropriate program for it. This section, as the name suggests, lets you modify your drum sounds to your liking. You can of course use any samples if you like, it's up to you. But let's stick to drums for now. I'm not going to go deep into each of the effects now. If you'd like that, let me know in the comment sections. What's important here is that you can add up to 8 out of 14 available effects to shape your sound even more. Each of the effects can be more or less present by changing the values on the corresponding dials. Speaking of returns, there are a few tricks it has up its sleeve. To find out more, check out the next video. Thanks for tuning in. If you like the video, bash that like button. Show your interest and support by subscribing to the channel. That's it for now. Keep occupied.